There are plenty of bugs that can bite and feed on human blood. Let's talk about 8 bugs that bite. Some of these just bite and others actually feed on blood. Some transmit diseases and others don't. First up are biting midges. The adult biting midges are 1 to 2.5 millimeters long and they have a 15 segmented antenna. These flies can transmit viruses to cattle and people. Second up are mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are one of the most important human health pests worldwide due to their extreme ability to transmit pathogens. Mosquitoes can transmit pathogens that cause diseases like malaria, West Nile virus, encephalitis, yellow fever, and many others. There are over 3,000 species of mosquitoes. Number 3 on our list are fleas. They're another blood feeder that we need to be aware of. Fleas are external parasites, and they usually live on their host. These are an intermediate host for other parasites, such as tapeworms, which they can pass on to dogs, cats, and humans. It's important to speak to your veterinarian and learn about proper flea control methods for your pets. Fourth up are the dreaded bedbugs. Bedbugs have a preference for feeding on humans, but if no humans are around, they can feed on other animals. They go through 5 stages of development before reaching adulthood. Both the nymphs and the adults feed on blood. The thing to note about bedbugs are that some people don't react to the bites, so you may not even know you have a bedbug issue until you see a bug crawling on the bed. Fifth on our list are cone nose bugs, otherwise known as kissing bugs. Bites from these bugs can occur on the face because it's exposed while sleeping, which is why they're known as kissing bugs. They're capable of transmitting a parasite in their feces called Trypanosoma cruzi, which causes Chagas disease. Sixth on our list are lice. Both head lice, crab lice, and body lice feed on blood. Head lice are the most common human infesting lice. However, body lice have been turning up in more and more places lately. Head lice live within our hair and body lice live within our clothing. They can be in our clothing that we're wearing, then travel to our skin to feed on blood. Lice, like scabies, are considered a medical issue, and if you believe you have lice, you should see a doctor. Number 7 is bird mites. These are another biting parasite that can feed on human blood. Bird mites prefer to feed on birds, but when fledglings leave the nest, the bird mites may migrate into your bed and bite you while you're sleeping. The adult bird mites are about 1 millimeter in size, and they tend to come out at nighttime like bedbugs. Oftentimes, a bird mite is confused and mistaken for a baby bedbug. Eighth on our list are scabies mites. These are the only microscopic bug on our list. You can't actually see the mites with the naked eye. The female scabies might burrow through and feed on human skin. Infestations can occur on your wrists, hands, elbows, backs of knees, ankles, toes, and genitals. You can get scabies through physical contact with another infected human, or if you sleep on bed linens that were recently used by an infected person. People who think they have scabies should see a physician, as they're actually considered a medical issue instead of a pest control issue, just like lice. So there you have it. These are 8 bugs that bite us, and some of them feed on human blood, and others can just feed on our flesh. If you think you have any of these bugs or have seen any kind of suspicious signs of bugs, it's best to start doing some investigation, try to catch one, and get a positive ID so you can figure out what exact type of bug you are dealing with. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about bugs and bugs that bite us, subscribe to our channel.